Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and we're here today at the monthly backup gun match with the Vektor CP1. So yesterday we took a look at the history and the mechanics of this pistol. Today, I've got it out here at the match to see how it actually shoots, because the reputation of the CP1 is pretty poor because everyone just thinks, everyone knows it from the recall and they're hard to find, and well, it looks like this swoopy plastic fantastic thing, so it must be kind of meh. But in reality, it's a single action hammer fired pistol. It's relatively comfortable in the hand. It's got a nice gas delayed mechanism. It's actually pretty comfortable to shoot. So I'm not going to be surprised if it actually does pretty well here today. So let's dive into our first of 4 stages and find out. Ready?
Stand by.
Nice and fast.
Unload, show clear.
There we go. Floor plate's back in place. That one's really close.
I'm gonna let the RO decide on that one.
Yeah.
I can't give it to you.
Stand by.
Coming loose again. It's fast, but like I'm down a point here. That one's clean. These two are clean. That one's clean. Yeah, this CP1 is not bad at all.
Stand by.
It's coming really close to coming off again.
Clear.
All right, so this magazine, the floor plate, keeps almost coming off. So for this stage, I'm actually going to Barney load it. I've got 10 in my more compact mag. There we go.
Up, stand by.
I'm going to call it good. Let's see what happened. Didn't even need to Barney load it. All right. 9 seconds, not the fastest, but that's clean, barely. I'm down 1 point there because it's not quite a perfect headshot. Down 1 there. Low, so. And down 1 here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 29 points. Not my best stage of the match, but not bad. This thing's really nice.
I was going to do my bit of wrap up out at the range, but we had a bit of a camera issue, so we're back here at home instead. That went extremely well, needless to say. 2nd place in my division. It's hard to complain about that. And 4th, actually a tie for 4th. There were 2 of us with the same score. Tie for 4th place overall. What can I say? I knew that the reputation of the CP1 was worse than the reality of the CP1, or I expected it, but I didn't really expect it to be this much different. Frankly, the pistol shot really well for me. There were a couple of places where I had to take close aim and make good shots, and I was able to make most of them. The thing that I guess really surprised me the most is when I was doing sort of the running and gunning, moving fast and shooting, not getting a really good sight picture, just like, well, that's pretty much on target, bang, bang, bang. Those shots came out pretty darn well. I had the opportunity to miss a lot of points doing that sort of thing, and I just didn't. And I think that goes to just the handling, the good trigger pull, and the relatively light, comfortable recoil that the gas-delayed system gives to the CP1. So it's really kind of weird how the pistol was styled, that styling was such a deliberate and important part of the design. But it's a shame that the thing went to naught, because actually a pretty darn nice pistol. By the way, the issues I had with the magazine floor plate coming off, it's not really a fundamental problem of the design. It's more a problem of that one particular magazine. You have two little plastic spring clips that hold the floor plate into the bottom of the magazine body. And on mine, the one is becoming rather deformed. It might actually have a crack in it. I should probably take a close look at that. Not something that is normally an issue with the guns. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the match. If you didn't see the video I did on the CP1's history and mechanics yesterday, definitely check that out. Thanks for watching.